62% work of Bangabandhu Railway Bridge completed. Construction of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujib Railway Bridge over the river Jamuna is progressing fast. The overall progress of the railway bridge project is 62%. Officials said with sincere efforts, 62% of the project has been implemented with the installation of 15 spans and 31 piers of the 4.8-kilometer-long bridge. A total of 50 piers and 49 spans will be installed on the bridge. The country's first mega project on the river Jamuna Bangabandhu Jamuna Bridge was built in the 90s. The second mega project Bangabandhu Rail Bridge over the Jamuna is being constructed 300 meters upstream of this bridge with a length of 4.8 km. According to the Railway Department, this dual-gauge double-track bridge will be the largest railway bridge in the country. This will facilitate and improve the rail connectivity of the north and west of the country with the capital. The risk of Bangabandhu Bridge will also be reduced. As it is risky, the train runs slowly over Bangabandhu Bridge. At present, the approved speed of the train on that bridge is 20 km per hour. At the same time, transportation of goods from North Bengal to Dhaka will be easier, and the cost of transporting goods will be reduced, which will bring about a positive change in the economic situation and social life of the region. November 29, 2020, Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina laid the foundation stone for the construction of the bridge at a cost of TK 16,060 crore. The construction of the bridge is expected to be completed by 2024.